Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei Mate 40 Pro and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on sound and vibration. As you can see here, we've got the whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option. What's more, we can divide the ringtone for 2 SIM cards, and we can change it also for the messages and the notifications. Let me show you, for example, how to do it using the phone ringtone, so simply tap on it. As I said, you can choose the SIM card for which you want to change the ringtone, and under it we've got some options to choose from. First of all, here we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones, so of course you can choose something from this list. What's more, here we've got none option, so it means that after activating it, your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. Let me go to the very top of the list. As you can see here, we've got also vibration options, so let's tap on it, and here you can decide what kind of vibration style will be attached to the ringtone. Of course, if you want to check how it will look like or feel like, then you can tap on it, and then you will feel the vibration. I will pick none because it will disturb us while listening to the ringtone. And as you can see, under the vibration options, we've got music on device and video ringtones. So it means that, for example, after tapping on music on device, if you will have any compatible files, for example, downloaded, then they will appear right here, just like this one, and you will be able to choose them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and let me pick something from this options. If you want to listen how the particular one sounds, then simply tap on it. I'm not really sure if you can hear it, so let me volume it up. Okay, and if you're happy with your choice, then make sure that the ringtone you want to use is marked, just like here. So let me pick, for example, whistle. Just tap on it, it is marked, so now I can get back. As you can see, it is notified right here that we just changed the ringtone, and from now on this device will use the chosen ringtone. So of course the same situation will be with, for example, messages. Just tap on it. The same situation, we've got the vibration, we've got music on device, and here we've got the list of available ringtones. So let's tap on it in order to listen. Let's get back if you're done with your choice, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.